Well, you got this open. Never hurts to address some lubrication points. Ew. And it slides through this little plastic bit there. I'm sure not much friction there, but I'll give it a couple drops just to make it happy. And let's see about this. If I can get back in there, do like a couple on the hinge pin first to see if that's got some noise. Trying to get back. Well, that one on the top already took care of that squeaky noise. But yeah, with this pulled open, I'll be able to put a couple drops there where it pivots. So yeah, do it.